Alright, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. A quick one right here. I want to tell every one of us to jump on this testnet airdrop immediately. So, position for this particular testnet airdrop. This is a gaming project, and as we all know, gaming project tends to do very well in terms of testnet project and stuff like that. So, just have to get yourself positioned for this. So, this is how to go about it. It's as simple as ABC. First of all, I'll be leaving the link to this project in the description section and comment section of this video. So all you have to do is just to copy the link to your MySpace browser straight. That is where it is going to work best for you. So you copy the link to your MySpace browser, then you proceed. This is how to go about it. Once you paste the link, they will give you option to sign up. Then you sign up automatically. Then they will show you to connect your wallet. Ensure you connect your MetaMask. All right. Make sure you connect your MetaMask extension from your MySpace browser. So if it's not working for you, you can prioritize making use of a VPN, right? Due to your geo network, or let me say the network condition in your area. Okay, so if it's not going through for you, do well to utilize VPN, right? So after you've connected your wallet, they will ask you to choose an avatar, so you guys can see the avatar that I choose. So they'll just ask you to choose an avatar, then you proceed with that. So like I said, most especially at this avatar section, that is where most people used to find it difficult. So if it's not going through for you, make use of a VPN and you will get it done immediately. All right, so once you've chosen an avatar, then it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so this is just the home dashboard of this particular project called GAME7. Okay, you all can see it. So once we're already in your dashboard, the next thing you have to do is to firstly come to this three dotted line up here. You tap on it, then you can see this place that they wrote settings down here. So make sure you connected your MetaMask so you guys can see my connected wallet right here. Right, so you come to this section that this three dotted line up, then you come to settings right here, click on settings, then you will see some few things that you need to do. Firstly, you can see profile, then secondly you can see social, then you can see wallet. Okay, so if you click on profile, this is what you have here. This is your details right here. Just have to choose a username, your first name, your last name, then you put your email address. Very simple. Then you come to socials right here. You just have to make sure you put your social accounts. So this particular one is here automatic. You don't really have to do anything right here. Then you put your Telegram identity, put your what else? You connect your wallet, connect your, what is it called, your Champverse account. So this is, you just have to tap on it and it will be connected for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. Okay, then you also connect your Discord, right? So after you've done that, do well to connect your X as well. Connect your X as well. Okay, so make sure you connect all your socials. Then you come to wallet right here. Then make sure you connect your Solana wallet. I think that is the major thing you have to connect right here. After connecting, make sure you are hitting on the save button. It's very crucial. Then that is just it. Then you come back to this three dotted line as well. This is where you'll be seeing a lot of quests that you can perform. Okay, so we are coming for that. First of all, you come to this place that they wrote credit v2. You can see credit v2 new. You tap on it. This is where you'll be getting your invite link to bring in your family and friends. All right, so this is it. I just jumped on this project right now. So you scroll up a bit, you can see this place that they wrote refer friends. You tap on this refer friends, you will see option to copy your own referral link. Okay, so you just see the option to copy your own referral link, then you start sharing it to your family and friends. The more they are joining, the more you are getting credit, coins, and other benefits from this testnet, right? So that is just the dashboard right here. You copy it and start sharing it. Okay, so you can see win a 20% credit bonus by referring your friends. Join via the unique link. Okay, so you copy it and start sharing it. Then you come back right here. Let's go to the quest section and see what is there. Come to quest right here. You tap on quest. Then you can see featured quest. You can see quest book and a whole lot of it. You can see main quest, side quest, daily quest, hyperplay, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of quests. Quest simply means task. There are a lot of things you can do here to earn these SP points. Plenty, a lot of things. So all you have to do is just make sure you navigate and perform as many quests as you can. Okay, this particular one attracts 995 SP, which is the main quest. After performing the whole quest, you will get 995. So you click on not started, this is where you'll be seeing everything you have to do. Wait for it to load up. There's a level 1, the story on foot. So you just have to click on this place that they wrote start. Just be navigating through the start button, then be doing what they ask you to do. So this one is to stay up to date. You just have to follow this account on Twitter and so on and so forth. So all these things are just minor quests that we perform on testnet projects. Alright, so do the ones you can be able to do and wait for more updates from the project. So that's just how to navigate this GAME7. Alright, so get started immediately and position very well. So as we all know, testnet project tends to do very well, and you can never tell the one that is going to give you that massive funds. So that's why you have to participate for as many as possible as you can. Alright, so that is just it. So thank you all for watching. If you have any updates on this project, I'll still get you guys updated. So with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Bye for now.